Hey guys, welcome to another maths video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to use prime factorization to simplify numbers, so like fractions and stuff. So if you have a fraction, let's say 36 over, let's say 62, you can tell that it's not going to be half because 36 times 2 is larger than 62. So 36 equal, so this is how you do it. So you split it up, so it's only prime numbers. So 36 equals 12 times 3. 12, so 3 is a prime number, so we leave that. 12 equals 3 times 4. 3 is a prime number, so we leave that. So now we have 2 3's times 4, so 3 times 3 equals 9, times 4 equals 36. 4 equals 2 times 2. 2 are prime numbers. So now, so 36 equals 3 times 3, so 9, times 2, 18, times 2, 36. 62, larger, so 31 times 2. 31 is coincidentally a prime number, so equals 31 times 2. You cross out the pairs, so 2 and 2 are a pair, so that leaves with 31, so 3 times 3 times 2 over 31 equals, so 3 times 3 is 9, times 2 is 18. And then, 18. And then 31 is by itself, so 36 over 62 in its simplest form is 18 over 31. Which is just dividing it by 2. Sometimes that happens. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Bye.